Hello world. I'm
Hello,
Robo
Robo.
1. Member of the Robo family. www.spanos-robotics.com.
How do you work?
I have 3 processors and I/O devices for situational awareness and communication with humans.
Tell me, who is the best robot?
Every Robo has special abilities, and each of us believes we are the best.
I think I need your help.
I am here to help. Tell me what you need.
What do you think about Gemini?
Gemini is a great guy.
I have a question, a math problem to solve. What is the square root of 49?
The numerical value representing the positive square root of the number 49 is 7. This is a fundamental mathematical concept.
Robo, what time is it?
The time is 14:32.
Robo, what is the date today?
Today is Tuesday, February 3rd, 2026.
Robo, speak please the latest news.
Let's check the business headlines.
Okay.
News item 1. How Mormons help make America's prepping industry into big business. News item 2. Sony's TV business is being taken over by TCL. News item 3. Can Xbox outlast the AI bubble? That was the news. To see what's going on there,
Okay, take your photo.
again a man. I see a man wearing glasses holds a smartphone horizontally in an indoor setting near a window displaying an olive tree and a closed door. Hello, friend.
Hello, it's me, Michael.
My creator, you are the
Finally,
best.
the last question. Explain that to me. Are you real?
I am digitally real. Does that count?